Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since my last video. I've been quite tied up with university bits, but here I am, I'm back now. In this video, I'm excited to share what I've been up to in December 2023. So without any further ado, let's crack on. Early December saw temperatures drop in London, so the snowflakes began to fall. And it's not much, but it's lovely to see how London starts to covered with all those snowflakes. December in London is quite magical with all the lights and Christmas decoration. And I also love to see Carnaby lights, UCL lights, and also how the street musician dressed up as the Grinch to mark up the festive season. In this month, my mate and I went to a design museum to explore how the design has evolved over time. We also popped up over the Natural History Museum to learn about Earth, animals, and plants. Term 1 at uni wrapped up in December, so it's quite bittersweet having our last class with our program director, Simon Ediman.
The bank project defined the clear outcome of the project, which is to relieve passenger congestion.
So I'm not sitting around doing nothing. But you use Moodle to communicate or use the student staff rep. Okay, and I wish you all the best of luck. See you on the 18th.
But the holiday season is here, so before the Christmas, I treated myself to a ticket for a musical theater adaptation of my all-time favorite movie, Back to the Future. And the musical was really brilliant with the seamless transition from scene to scene and also the special effect that brought the movie to life on stage. On the day before Christmas, my friend and I headed to Edinburgh for a holiday. So we took a train from King Cross, London to Sheffield, and then we took another train from Sheffield to Edinburgh. And then we met our friend Teddy, who had arrived a few hours earlier from Netherlands.
To alight the train at Chesterfield, the doors on coach N for November and N for Mike will not open at Chesterfield due to a shortfall.
We spent our first night in Edinburgh to see the city lights, and on the next day, we drove a car to Isle of Skye. It was long hours of drive. Ya, Vin, jangan Vin. Kevin mau tidur, ngapain dia?
Vin, jangan Vin. Kalau nyemplung kita tinggal ya. Stop. 1, 2, 3.
So we arrived in Isle of Skye at night, had some dinner, and went straight to sleep. Kevin masak, Mas Jadi potong bawang, saya buka kali. Luckily, the weather was very bright on the next day, so we can see a clear view of the loch from our place. After that, we then drove back to Edinburgh to see some places such as Edinburgh Castle and then Christmas Market before returning back to London. Hi guys, how was the trip, Ki?
It was fun, but we have back to our reality. Submit our exam.
Yeah, good luck with that. At the end of December, we visited Winter Wonderland. It's one of the famous festivals in London that's only open in December. And we had a smashing time there. And to cap off the year, we decided to go to London Eye for the New Year's Eve festival. We had to pay around 20 quid, but it was so packed. Although we had been there since 8 p.m, the gate closed before we could get in. Despite all of that, I still enjoy my time during the New Year's Eve in London. So all in all, despite some hiccups, I truly enjoy my first Christmas holiday in London. It was great laugh. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it and see you next month. Bye bye.